Hello and welcome to the Love Spoon Workshop. Today we hope is the start of a new series of videos where we show you how you can make simple gift items out of woods. In today's video, in just a couple of minutes, we're going to show you how you can make a little letter opener. Before we get started, let's just go through a checklist of what you're going to need. You're going to need a pencil and paper for designing, a method for cutting out, a method for sanding and shaping as well, and some form of finish. We're going to be using shellac sand and sealer. You're also going to need a piece of wood. A scrap piece of wood is ideal for this because you need the blade of your letter opener to be thin enough to actually open the letters. So without further ado, let's get straight into it and show you how to make a letter opener. This process consists of 5 simple steps. Step number 1 is to mark your letter opener onto the woods. Step number 2 is to cut the shape, the basic outline of your letter opener out. Step number 3 is to sand and shape your letter opener. Step number 4 is to hand carve your letter opener. And step number 5 is to finish and seal your letter opener. 5 simple steps for making a letter opener in woods. That is our finished letter opener. Just a quick demonstration of how you can make it yourself. Just to prove that it works, I've got a letter here. It's a brown envelope, so it's probably a bill. So let's just check that it works okay. We're just going to slide that in like so. There we are. And we're just going to cut along there. So far, so good. There we are. Just cut in just like so. There we go. So you can see our letter opener works. It's a bill for £240. There we are. But at least our letter opener works. Hopefully that video is useful. Remember, don't forget to
subscribe.
And we'll be back soon with more videos.